Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a vitamin C jelly mask. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup or impurities. It's crucial that your skin is completely dry before you apply the mask, as this helps with proper adhesion. Next, gather all your materials: your vitamin C jelly mask powder, clean water, and a small mixing bowl with a spatula. Now let's mix your mask. Take 1 scoop of the vitamin C jelly mask powder and combine it with 1 scoop of water in your mixing bowl. Stir quickly and vigorously with your spatula until you achieve a smooth, lump-free paste. The consistency should be like a thick gel. If it's too thick, add a few drops more water. If too thin, a tiny bit more powder. With your mask mixed, it's time for application. Using your spatula, apply a thick, even layer of the jelly mask all over your face and neck. Be sure to avoid the delicate areas around your eyes and mouth. Once applied, simply relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel it start to set and firm up. After 15 to 20 minutes, your mask is ready for removal. Gently peel off the mask starting from the edges, working your way inward. It should come off in 1 or 2 large pieces. Rinse any small bits of residue with cool water, then pat your skin dry. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including Little Tree's Black Ice air fresheners. Finish by applying your favorite serum and moisturizer to lock in the benefits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.